Alright, I bought some plants for this, some lavender. Got some lavender already there. Haven't got my hanging baskets yet. Mother's Day is coming. Here's my wreath. I got the wreath at Michael's, and then I added these. Were on clearance, and then I showed the bow recently. That was also Michael's, so it's a Michael's thing. Margaret made me that a couple years ago. Got my Gnome welcome sign for the summer. There's the spinning. I need to figure out what to do with this. Making you all dizzy. Okay, let's go on in. It's not completely clean, but it never will be, so we might as well just go for it. Alright, I got Winnie the Pooh and friends here. And some of my bees. Aren't they cute? Those are Boyd's bears, I think. There's a Winnie the Pooh. My gosh. I put my stamp out. There's my Pooh Bear, some Gnomies, my new plant. Lighting isn't the best, sorry. I do have, hang on. My bee lights. I have another strand somewhere. Some more gnomes. Margaret made me that stand. Miss Creativity. I'm telling you, she's so talented. So there's the flowers I got yesterday. Michael seems to be my go-to. It's like 5 minutes away, so you know, it is what it is. And then over here, a couple more gnomes. Let's see, this also turns on. It's all cleaned up for the crafty girls coming today. So yeah. Isn't that pretty? There's my mantle. Lots of Dollar Tree on display here. My gosh, so fun. This was a church I don't know what makes me think of a church. Anyway, I added stickers. I've had this for a long time, and I went, wow, I need to use that. So I did. This bouquet that I made years ago. My little cat. So yep, there's the mantle. And if we come around, that's happy planner stuff, or weekly planner stuff. And I do have lights for this one as well. Hang on, sorry. I think they work. Damn it. I don't know how people do this one-handed stuff when they're filming all the time. There we go. So this is more spring over here. Oh my gosh. There's those candles I was showing in my latest Dollar Tree haul. I hung this little bird cage with the little birdie in it. And then here's I got the wreath on Temu. I think it was last year. Anyway, it doesn't matter. And I made the bow with my bow Dabra. Now this ribbon that was on clearance from Hobby Lobby had so much more ribbon on it than the one from Dollar Tree, or Michael's rather. Just saying. Don't know why that's important for you to know, but it is. Okay. And then, let's come on over here. I'll turn some lights on. The sun keeps coming and going with the clouds. Not much here. And then my tiered tray shelf. haven't changed. I just think this is so cute. It's a gnome, and his hat is the plant. Of course, fake, but just love these little. There's all my Dollar Tree stuff. I had so many mushrooms. It's like, okay, cut the corner on the mushroom thing, Kim. Stop. And then this one here. Move that gnome up. I love this. This is a gravy boat, but I use it. It didn't come with a lid, so it's fine because I put strawberries and things in it. There's more lavender. Another. I like to put little signs on here. And there's some gnomies. Now I repainted the gnomes. Just wasn't happy with, I don't know, how they had done it. There we go. So this plant is not doing well. If you know anything about snake plants, let me know. It was doing so good and now all of a sudden it's not. So there's some Pioneer Woman in with my other stuff. There's Winnie the Pooh plant steak, whatever. Okay, and coming around, haven't done anything to the backyard, so put that up. Oh, God. Can you say Pioneer Woman? There's my newest, my spring and summer dishwasher magnet. Gotta even decorate the dishwasher door. There's behind the And last thing that I decorated were my shelves, magnetic shelves. That's so it's bee and coffee themed. Cute, 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 cute. I do believe Margaret made me that truck too. Well, she bought them and then she decorated them. So, and then I just put magnets on there and then hang my whatever metal sign I want for the season. So yeah, I have my new decor up. I just love that picture of Eric with Vienna. Oh my gosh, so sweet. Love, 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 love them. And that, my friends, is about it. So thanks for joining me, taking a little tour. I'm gonna put some flowers. I bought some geraniums, some more lavender. And I think I'm ready for my crafty friends. I gotta put up my tables and lights, and we will be ready to have some fun. Yes, sirree. Yeah. Oh my gosh. It took a lot of work, but I'm always so happy when it's done. So I keep doing it. Here's my family wall. So anyway, enough, Kim. Quit talking. Take care and have a great day. Bye-bye.